viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel, and this one I'm going to be reading A Coronavirus Christmas by Shannon Jett, illustrated by Davier Ratkovic. Sorry, Davier, if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I'm reading this because, well, all the things going on, and it's also almost Christmas after, well, Thanksgiving. So that's what I'm going to be reading today. Let's begin this video. This book is dedicated to all the brave people on the front lines fighting this virus and working hard to provide care and comfort to those who need it. Alright, let's begin. Christmas is coming, but it's different this year. Will it still be merry and full of holiday cheer? The pandemic has changed things. We all know this is true, but the spirit of Christmas will always shine through. You can still share Christmas love and make someone's day bright. Try baking cookies or going caroling at night. But also, why are the kids not wearing masks? I'm kind of concerned about that. I mean, I can see the grandma's currently wearing a mask, but the children are just wearing hats, a jacket, boots, and, well, no mask. Let's continue. Everyone loves getting a card in the mail or buy the perfect present when you find it on sale. Dear Granddad, and there's a picture of a Christmas tree. Your grandpa, your grandma, and other family may be celebrating Christmas virtually. Even though you may be miles apart, you know they are with you inside your heart. Kissing under the milestone during a pandemic? The answer is no. Try a nod, a bow, or tapping your feet. Blowing air kisses would also be sweet. There's a picture of Santa's sleigh. Will Santa still deliver presents this year? Who will give gifts to children far and near? Santa's a hero. He's up for the task. He'll deliver the presents while wearing his mask. That rhymes. The last two rhymes rhyme again. Santa's elves are social distancing with 6 feet of space. They're wearing their masks and to cover their face. Even Corona can't slow down these elves. They are working so hard to fill the toy shelf. Milk, cookies, and hand sanitizer are the perfect things to leave out Santa's appetizer. He'll be pretty hungry and he'll need his hands clean. Lots of houses and germs. Yep, there's the hand sanitizer. Reindeer can't get sick, so that's a relief. They will fly all night for Santa, their chief. Santa will get to everyone on his list. If you have been good, you will not be missed. This year, you might find that it is better to write Santa Claus a Christmas letter. It is better than meeting him in a crowded place. You can make your request but still keep your space. Get out the frostings and the baking pans. But first please make sure you wash your hands. Kill all the germs by using all this soap. Preventing the spread of this virus gives us all hope. If canceled Christmas parties have you feeling sad, if there's still plenty of holiday fun to be had, go for a drive and to see Christmas lights shining bright and giving hope on dark winter nights. Or get beautiful ornaments and decorate your tree, filling your family with happiness and glee. Are you going to the place that might be jam-packed? Remember to wear a mask and avoid close contact. Decorate your mask to show some Christmas cheer. Try jingle bells, bows, or red-nosed reindeer. Even though it's covered up, don't forget your smile. A big Christmas grin is always in style. If you find that you are ever feeling a bit sick, stay home in your jammies and watch a Christmas flick. Spread love but not germs over the holiday, and maybe this virus will go away soon. Doctors, nurses, and those on front lines, delivery drivers that have tight deadlines, sales clerks working to stock the store shelves. These workers are giving so much of themselves. So be sure to give them a smile or a wave to show you appreciate them being so brave. The virus has made their work harder to do. take time to go give them a big thank you. The Christmas season should be filled with joy and delight. It's a time to show love and do what is right. Keeping the world healthy is more important than ever. Remember this in every holiday endeavor. You can also be a kid hero and make this season bright. Christmas and kids can help the world unite. Putting others first is the most important way you can make sure everyone has a happy holiday. Merry Christmas! So that's the end of this book. I hope you enjoyed this Thanksgiving, and after that, I also hope you have a nice coronavirus. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!